Hey guys, so I just wanted to quickly share some things that we get at Costco. I feel like at the moment we have a big variety of things, and I just wanted to share what I want to say Louis gets, because I'm not the one that goes. He usually goes while I'm at work, and he just always finds the best stuff. So I'm gonna put you guys right here for a moment. Hopefully just ignore the dirty dishes and everything. You guys are in my pantry. So first and foremost, I turned on the lights, so I hope that the lighting doesn't keep like flickering like that. But he found these dark chocolate bars, and they have pistachios, almonds, and
Mom,
cranberries.
I found them.
And they are so delicious, you guys. They are so good. It does say that it's plant-based protein because it is unsweetened chocolate and cocoa butter. It has hemp protein in it. And yeah, it is a very good snack. I love them. AJ liked them. Jojo has it on and off, but I am like binging eating these things. And then he got these cheese snacks, which taste so weird, but Jojo loves them. If your kids love cheese, this is a great way to get it in their system. Yeah, it's not for me. I'm not a big cheese person, but Jojo is obsessed. And then he got these. I know everything is like packaged, obviously it's from Costco, but he said a lot of it was on sale, so definitely check your local Costco. These are really good. They're kind of like sugar cookies, but they're actually like way healthier. They just have coconut, wheat flour, sugar, butter, brown sugar, whey, baking soda, egg, salt, and soy lecithin. And that's it. They're very healthy.
Yeah, Mom,
Stop.
I got them.
Stop. Watch out. And then these, Louis gets them often. These are all
Often? Wow.
clusters. And shh, Jojo. They do come like, Jojo, watch out, baby. Like pretty close together, so I tried to.
And I want to make popcorn. I want to make popcorn. I want to make popcorn.
They're good too. They're kind of like, we're not making popcorn.
Yeah, we're making.
I taste a lot of coconut in these. They're not my favorite, but Jojo likes snacking on them.
Yeah, Mom.
And
I like that.
One thing that we always get is this seaweed. It comes in a big pack of like 10, I think. And
I like seaweed.
These are just like the perfect size for a snack. Another thing that we get every single time until we finish are these That's It bar. And they're literally, watch out Jojo, get down. Just the fruit. They don't have any added sugar, anything added at all. It's literally just fruit. Even if you look at the ingredients, it's literally just apple, strawberries. So yeah, I actually, funny story, when I was doing my BBG years ago, if you have stuck with me long enough through the years of me with my channel, if you even look back at my old videos, you will see BBG. And it's the Bikini Body Guide. And once we got sponsored by them when they were just starting to be released. So that's how good they are. They've been around for that long. So we definitely get those. Get back, please. And then another thing that I would recommend is this almond butter.
Oh yeah, I like
almond butter. And it's really good. We do use that often, and I'm gonna go in the freezer and show you guys some other stuff that we get. So Louis just found these Red's egg sandwich turkey sausage. I haven't tried them, but he made them for the boys, and I think they really like them. We get these salmon patties. As you can see, the bag is almost done. You know, these are kind of, hang on. Hey, Mom. These are, hang on. These are kind of like a hit and miss. They're not the best, obviously, but they're a fast meal for like wraps or even in sandwiches. I made them in sandwiches. I usually make them in the oven and I season them with everything seasoning. I feel like it just gives it the perfect taste to them. And then we get the French bread pizza, classic. We always need these as a quick snack or a quick meal or a quick lunch. And one thing that I highly, highly recommend for the kids are these nuggets. Nuggets. It took a long time for Jojo to eat meat. Like, that was one thing that was definitely lacking in his food intake. So I have found these out and they are amazing. He loves them. I make them with sweet potato fries and I'll bake them at the same time. And they bake so evenly, they never burn, and they're easy for him to take and bite and run and play, because, you know, who else's kids just doesn't stay still, you know what I mean? And then the last thing that I'm gonna mention are these rice packs. They are so good, you guys. You just put them in the oven for 3 minutes. I mean the microwave for 3 minutes. They come in these little bags and they're already seasoned. They have veggies in them. They have chicken in them. They're amazing. When I make them for the family, I usually have to do 2 because one just, yeah, Mom. One just isn't enough. So yeah,
I got these.
Yeah, and Jojo recently started eating it. It took him a while because he is very simple and he's not big on veggies, but finally he tried it and he loved it. He loves edamame alone, and so I've been trying to keep making it. And once you, I think it takes like 50 times, no lie, for children to get into eating that kind of food. So yeah, this one I'm just gonna mention it, but it took us a while to kind of find how to make them. I've tried to get Louis to get the ones that come with the seasoning. It's like the Foster's one, I think, which Foster's I know isn't the best. And he got these because they were a really good price, and it is a huge ass bag. I've already made these chickens, I think, twice. They're really big, but what I found is that I do have to make my own seasoning, so that was what I did not like. And thankfully I did find a seasoning that we all enjoyed. I made it with, I'll have to make it like in another video just because I feel like that was a little bit difficult to find, but I think I found the recipe on Pinterest. It was really, really easy. You just, you know, coat everything, put oil on everything, and then just bake them, and it was really easy. The one thing that did take a while is you have to thaw them out, so that does take a little bit of a while to do. And then another mention that I will show, AJ loves these. They're just the pot stickers. This is a different brand that I've gotten before. The other ones I think are like a white bag. These ones, I think he got them because they were on sale. He's always getting stuff because they're on sale, and he thinks that Jojo's gonna eat it. Jojo doesn't eat these. He likes dipping it in the sauce, but he doesn't eat it. And this one I found that I can't steam them, which is how I did the other ones. These ones I have to literally bake them in the stove top and put water and cover it and all of that. But they do taste really good. I'm so sorry, you guys. He's over here in the pantry having his cheese snacks. So yeah, that is it. One thing that we do enjoy a lot as well are in the drinks. I didn't share you guys the drinks. So we really like this coconut water. It's the Kirkland coconut water.
Yeah, Mom. I like it.
Really hydrates you, helps with like hangovers, and if you have headaches or you feel just, you know, a little bit off, you could just drink some of this and it will definitely help. I feel like this also helps your digestive system. And then another thing that we get a lot is the, what is this? Spindrift sparkling water. I'm not too particular with sparkling water. I don't like fizzy stuff. I don't like soda. Ever since growing up, I don't like it. Jojo enjoys it, AJ loves them, and Louis loves them. So they kind of drink it a little bit more. Please be careful. These are the last 2 that we have left. So that's how much we like those. And then the last thing that we get from there is, Oh, actually, I got these hemp seeds there as well. And these last me forever. Be careful, please. And I add these in our smoothies for Jojo so that he can get a little bit more protein intake, because as I mentioned, he's not big on meat. And last but not least is this Parmesan cheese. It's a little bit saltier than I would like, but I think Parmesan in general is a little bit salty, but this has lasted us for quite a while, and I always add it when I make like pasta or mac and cheese. I'll add it with the cheese because I make kind of like my own mac and cheese. And Louis likes adding it to like the pizza. I'm not quite particular to it, but I think Jojo likes it. He loves cheese. So that is it, you guys. Another thing that we do get often is bananas. I'm not going to share it because, you know, everyone knows what bananas look like. And then we do get like the little apples that come in the bag. Jojo loves those, and they're small and they're perfect for a snack because that's all he does is snack. But that's it, you guys. And if you've tried any of this, please leave a comment. Let me know what you like or what you suggest we try. I know that different locations have different things. Another thing that Louis loves to get him are the fruit pouches. I think it's like Once Upon a Time farm or something like that, but they don't have it at our local one, so we kind of have to go somewhere else. I mean, we have two that are kind of local, but one of them he goes to often. The other one is kind of out towards the other way, so he doesn't go to it often. But if you have those pouches, Jojo loves them. He'll have them all the time. Yeah, I think those are all the stuff. So please like this video if you like this kind of content. It's completely different to what I have done before, but yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.